Hello everyone, I am Rolly Arpicaza and I will discuss to you what is ethical researcher. Before the end of this session, you will be able to discuss the ethical researcher. These are the characteristics of ethical researcher. First, qualified by education and training. Second, humble and collegial. Third, commands respect and is respectful himself. Fourth, honest and trustworthy. Fifth, competent and diligent. Sixth, respect and follow rules and regulations. And last, morally upright. Allow me to discuss to you each qualifications. First, qualified. You will submit proofs and qualification together with your research proposal, such as signed and updated curriculum vitae and updated evidence of training in research and research ethics. Second, humble and collegial. Has good work ethic, seeks opinions and assistance of peers and authority when necessary. Respects the opinion of co-investigators. Third, commands and respects and is respectful. Show respect to research participants through manner of speaking and action. Second, keeps confidential matters about the research confidential. Fourth, honest, trustworthy, and fair. Explains objectives and procedures in the research protocol truthfully to the participants, co-researchers, and staff. Fifth, diligent and competent. Provides a thorough background information of your research that can be verified anytime. Respect deadlines. And last, familiarizes yourself with the national, international ethics guidelines. Sixth, follows rules and regulations. Get institutional clearance if you are institution affiliated. Make sure of completeness of documents that needs to be attached to your protocol. Last, submit protocol for technical and ethical review and complies all the requirements. Lastly, morally upright. First, discern right from wrong. Discloses any conflict of interest. Last, declares if protocol have been reviewed and submitted for the review of other research ethics committees and provide result of review. Another, morally upright, must not commit any scientific misconduct before, during, and after implementation of the research. These are the scientific misconduct before study implementation. First, inaccurate and deceptive background information like CV, training, or credentials. Undocumented references, non-submission of ethical review and approval, and non-disclosure of conflict of interest. For confidentiality, these are the types of identifiers: names, geographic informations, elements of dates, telephone numbers, fax number, email addresses, social security numbers, account numbers, certificate or license numbers, vehicle identifiers, device identifiers, URLs, IP address numbers, biometric identifiers, full face photos, and other unique identifier. For scientific misconduct during data reporting and storage: fabrication, falsification, piracy, plagiarism, photo manipulation, misappropriation of data, non-disclosure of negative data or data suppression, failure to keep data for future investigation. As to summary, the ethical researcher avoids and refuses to commit any form of scientific misconduct even under duress or promise of financial, professional, and social gains. Before I end, I want to leave this quote with you. The virtuous professional can discern the right course of action in the situation without reliance on principles and rules, and that a virtuous person will desire to do what is right, apart from the threat of moral sanctions. That's all. Thank you.